Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and creating a quick backup. This protects data if a cycle edit breaks formulas. Once open, locate the cells forming the cycle and named ranges so you can target changes rather than guess. Make sure you can see formulas and track changes. That visibility shows dependencies and prevents surprises. Also enable iterative calculation if needed, but don't change values yet. By preparing these views, you make the rest of the process precise and reversible. Now you adjust formulas and Excel settings to resolve or control the cycle. First, if the design requires iteration, open Options Right Arrow Formulas and set iterative calculation with sensible max iterations and max change. This controls convergence. If possible, refactor circular refs into helper cells or use one-way references so calculations flow logically. Once done, set calculation mode to manual for testing and recalc selectively to observe effects. Make small changes and test results, so to finish, validate results and secure the workbook. You should run full recalculations and compare outputs to your backup to confirm correctness. Document the formula changes and lock or protect cells to prevent reintroduction of cycles. Once validated, set calculation mode back to automatic if appropriate. If things go wrong, revert to the backup, then isolate the problematic formulas by restoring changes one at a time and testing. That troubleshooting step quickly reveals the offending reference, so you can correct it without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.